Hello everyone. So today I'll be presenting you our AI chatbot that I've built who's named Agro. And before I start the video, I would like to brief you a bit about Agro. What Agro is? So Agro is an AI chatbot. It is an AI chatbot that is built for the purpose of providing customer support, guidance, assistance, and organizing tasks for various organizations. So this AI chatbot can be used by any organization, and for the purpose of this video, I'll be specifically using it for cloud conciliation. And Agro I have built as a part of an AI internship with cloud conciliation. Agro stands for automated guide and reliable organizer. Any queries related to cloud conciliation can directly be handled by Agro. Also, it can handle any random queries and can perform some utility tasks. So we'll be looking at each one step by step in this video. So without wasting any time, let's directly move into the video. So here is our code, and this is the code for our AI chatbot, and we'll be running this and checking. Like I've hit on run, and the AI chatbot will be active in any moment now.
Good afternoon. Hello sir, this is Agro at your service. We are online and ready. How can I assist you?
Hey Agro, I want to know something about cloud conciliation. Could you help me with that? Search recognition. Hey Agro, I want to know something about cloud conciliation. Can you help me with that? I want to know about cloud conciliation. Is there anything you can tell me about it?
Opening homepage.
Yeah, so initially it wasn't picking up the word. Maybe my mic isn't so close, yeah. And as you can see, it has opened the cloud conciliation page. Yes. So here you can find all that you want. Services, carriers, events, blog, contact us, everything is there. So cloud conciliation in a nutshell, and you may find all info you
Opening
want
homepage.
regarding cloud conciliation. Okay, Agro, I want to open the LinkedIn page for CC.
Opening LinkedIn.
So opening the LinkedIn page. Let's see.
Opening LinkedIn.
So it is opening, as you can see. Thank you, Agro. Is there any way of contacting the support team? Is there any way
Opening
to
web page.
Yeah.
You can contact us using any of the options available on the web page.
These are the various options that are available. Is there any way in which I can send an email to the team? Is there any way in which I can send an email?
Opening email.
As you can see, the application has been opened and it will open up soon with your credentials and all that. So I'll minimize the stuff. Yeah. I want to know what are the tasks for week 1. Could you help me with that?
Opening week 1, basic training.
As you can see, it said basic training and it's opening. So the Bittrex 24 should open. Let's see, reload. There's network issues and all. So week 1 has been opened. Yeah, basic training. Is there a way to access week 3? I want to access week 3, the tasks for week 3. I want to access the tasks for week 3.
Opening week 3, proof of concept POC.
Proof of concept POC, as you can see, they have mentioned, and it's opening. Can you open the digital resource library or DRL?
Opening digital resource library.
Awesome. Can you tell who is the developer of this app?
Agro is an AI-powered chatbot developed by AI. You can know more about AI using this LinkedIn page.
Thank you very much, Agro. You may shut down.
Lowering power modules and shutting down the system. Hope you have a great day, sir.
As you can see, uh, these were some basic tasks that were specifically designed for Cloud Concierge, and any queries related to Cloud Concierge can be handled. Now let us see what if users come up with something like a random query. Suppose they come up with something that is out of the box, like not related to Cloud Concierge for an instance. So can our chatbot handle it? Let's see.
Good afternoon. Hello, sir, this is Agro at your service. We are online and ready. How can I assist you?
Search for artificial intelligence. Search artificial intelligence.
Importing information and acquiring relevant data.
As you can see, it's opening 3 tabs, and let's just close some previous tabs that we have opened in order to increase the speed a bit. And you can see various tabs are open, and you can read about AI. correct. So let's do another trial. Can you search about machine learning?
Importing information and acquiring relevant data.
So you can see various articles on machine learning. What is machine learning? Everything you need to know. Other types also are there. For example, machine learning, artificial intelligence. You may know this. There are other types also. Wiki is there, and yeah, the three types are open. So shutdown.
Lowering power modules and shutting down the system. Hope you have a great day, sir.
With this, we can say that our chatbot can handle almost any query, provided you add provided you add the word search. It can handle almost any query and can provide you the answers for it. Now, is there a chance that it can handle utility tools? Let's just check. So what are the utility tools it can handle? Come on online, Agro, you need to come online.
Good afternoon. Hello, sir, this is Agro at your service. We are online and ready. How can I assist you?
Hey Agro, open Google.
Opening Google.
Agro, open YouTube. So Google is open.
Opening YouTube.
Good. So it's working fine. And Agro, artificial intelligence Wikipedia. Artificial intelligence Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
It will give you all the information from
According to
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia, artificial intelligence, AI, is intelligence demonstrated by machines, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, which involves consciousness and emotionality. The distinction between the former and the latter categories is often revealed by the acronym chosen.
Chatbot Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, a chatbot is a software application used to conduct an online chat conversation via text or text-to-speech, in lieu of providing direct contact with a live human agent. Designed to convincingly simulate the way a human would behave as a conversational partner, chatbot systems typically require continuous tuning and testing, and many in production remain unable to adequately converse or pass the industry standard Turing test.
What is the time?
Sir, the time is 13 hours 9 minutes and 4 seconds.
Uh, Play music. I'm feeling bored. Can you do that? Well, as you can see, it has opened our inbuilt app and will play something random. So it's played us the music and okay, chatbot, you may close now. Thank you, Agro. You may shut down.
Lowering power modules and shutting down the system. Hope you have a great day, sir.
So this was our artificially intelligent chatbot that we have built, and it is capable of answering almost each and every query that you may come up with. Anything that you can Google, our chatbot is capable to answer. And hope you liked our project for today. And thank you very much.